If you've ever shopped at Costco, you've probably seen employees gathering shopping carts across the parking lot. But what exactly does a Costco cart pusher do, and is it worth applying for? The main responsibility is collecting carts from the parking lot and bringing them back to the store entrance. It sounds simple, but the job is physically demanding. You'll spend most of your shift outdoors, walking long distances, pushing rows of carts and working in all kinds of weather, from hot summer days to rainy or cold conditions. Safety is also a big part of the job. You'll need to stay aware of moving vehicles and customers while keeping the cart area organised and preventing carts from blocking traffic or damaging cars. On the plus side, many people like this position because it keeps you active. The responsibilities are straightforward, and Costco is known for offering competitive pay and solid employee benefits compared to many other retail employers. If you're comfortable with physical work, enjoy being outdoors, and don't mind staying on your feet for most of the day, the Costco cart pusher job could be a great way to get your foot in the door with one of the most respected retail companies.